Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see that we have the same wallpapers on our device, lock and home screen. Just to change it, we should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the personalizations. Here you'll see the wallpaper section, top ones here, and now we can see our album. This means that here we can select our device previously taken photos on our device camera, or for example downloaded from the internet. And here we have regular static wallpapers and the live ones here. So for example we can select one from these available wallpapers, this one for example. After that click here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen, so click here once, wait a second, and after that just will lock the device. And now we can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also we can do it by the second way, just hold for a while your device screen, then here on the left down corner you will see the wallpaper. I can just click here once, and by the same way you'll see here the albums, the regular default photos, the live ones. Select one from the wallpapers, click apply, click lock screen, wait a second, and now we can see the changes on our device lock screen again. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.